many see as trash, we see as a resource. This refined metals collection is worth over $2,000.
In a constantly evolving digital landscape, the careful decommissioning of retro technology is a precise operation. Precision is paramount. The RAM module, with its unique serial identification, is gently removed from the motherboard slot.
Here we see the meticulous process of component separation. Each CPU, stick of RAM, and capacitor is carefully sorted for future use.
Specialized tools are used to separate the display from the keyboard assembly. Great care is taken when
is the first stage of the recycling process, where electronic waste is broken down by the powerful shredder.
The immense power of the electromagnet sorts the ferrous metals from the worthless debris.
This is the heart of the separation process. The rapidly spinning magnets induce a current in the aluminum, effectively flinging it clear of the plastics.
Here in the flotation tank, buoyancy does the work. The plastics rise to the surface, completely separated from the denser metals which sink below.
The mechanical agitator vigorously stirs the chemical bath, dissolving the base metals from the circuit board fragments.
Maintaining precise control over temperature and pH levels is critical in this stage of the manufacturing process.
This extreme macro shot reveals the deposition process in detail. The copper ion. This facility utilizes advanced electrolysis to separate high-purity materials, a continuous process running 24 hours a day.
This control drying process is crucial. As the paste transitions from wet to dry, the color intensifies.
As the temperature climbs, the metal powder begins to glow, rapidly transitioning from a dull red to an incandescent orange and finally melting into a liquid yellow. To purify the melt, flux is carefully introduced. This creates an exothermic reaction, lifting the unwanted elements to the surface as slag.
Every ingot is precisely measured. The scale confirms the exact weight, a critical step in maintaining quality control.
Under this magnification, we can clearly see the crystalline structure. The quality here is flawless.
The purest forms of metal are stored here. The distinct colors of copper, the luster of silver.
Under this magnification, we can clearly see the crystalline structure. The quality here is flawless.
Here we see the certified metal bars being carefully placed into their protective cases before shipment, ensuring quality control.